Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are recreating this look today. I'm just at home sitting down. It's pretty boring with the lockdown. So yeah, it's just trying new stuff. My hair is very straight as you can tell. And while I was staying at home, I did color my hairs in different colors. So it's red somewhere, yellow somewhere, and at the tip it's green. Anyways, I'm just braiding my hair, each and every hair, little by little. Cool. So, just braiding my hair, it takes some time, we all know. But I really love curly hair, and especially when you have straight hair.
I've braided my hair. Wait.
It's very funny when after you braid it. It's because I didn't know how to do it properly. Anyways, I'm not really good with hairstyles and braiding, but moving on. I'm applying wax right now to keep my hair intact after the braid so the curls don't so the curls stay intact. Yep. So I let my head set for 2 hours. During that time I watched some movie in Netflix. In the meantime, I just want you guys to guess who this girl is on the photos, if she looks familiar or not. Can you guys just give it a guess on who she can be? So yeah, after 2 hours I tried to untie my hair, open the rubber and started opening the braids. The results were very bad. Showed it to my mom and she said that it looks fine and that I should just keep going. So I just started undoing my hair, taking off the braids little by little. Obviously it was time consuming as well, so yep, I just undoing my braids. It was quite a bit of work, but it's always worth a try. New hairstyle. So it looks like a deadlock hair, which is kind of cool, but then I gotta make it more fringy. So yes, we're gonna work on it now. Applying some gel at the top of my hair because it was very fringy, and then I'm opening up my hairs at the bottom, taking the curls out, letting my hair fly, brushing my hair with my hands. Remember not to use comb, because if I do use comb, my hair will go back to being straight, which I do not want at this point. So yes, I'm just using my hands to open my curls up. I'm loving it so far. Fixing my hair, brushing my hair lightly, loving it so far. And after combing my hair for 1,000 times, this is what we end up with. So what do you guys think about it? I think it looks pretty nice because I have really straight hair, and for me to get it this curly within 2 hours, I think it was awesome. I actually love it. So did I successfully recreate this little photo of curly hair? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See ya. Bye.